This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. In the wake of COVID-19, we appeal to our listeners not to lower guard, take all precautions, and all those above 45 years of age who have taken the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine to get vaccinated with the second dose at the scheduled time. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask. Maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing. Focus on hand and face hygiene. National helplines are operational for providing COVID-related information and guidance to people. The national helpline number is 011 2397 8046 and 1075. And the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. A 2-day conference of the tourism and culture ministers of the northeastern states has begun in Guwahati yesterday. Addressing the conference, Union Tourism and Culture Minister G. Kishan Reddy said that the tourism sector has the potential of being a game changer for the northeast. Reddy hoped that people of the northeastern states would directly benefit from the tourism sector through its various initiatives. Speaking on the occasion, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma urged all to adopt a holistic approach for the development of tourism sector in the northeast. The Chief Minister also stressed on better connectivity and infrastructure facilities. Tripura Government has resumed physical classes of elementary education from classes 1 to 5 yesterday due to continuous decrease in the number of corona outbreak. However, for attending the classes, a written permission letter of the guardian is required. Earlier, the State Education Department has reopened classes 6 to 12 on August 25th across the state. The Meghalaya Legislative Assembly yesterday mourned the untimely and sudden demise of sitting member from the Mawphlang Constituency, Syntar Klas Sunn, and paid rich tributes to his memories. The House was adjourned for the day after obituary references as a mark of respect to the departed public leader of repute. On the second day of the autumn session, Speaker Mawphlang announced the suspension of the question hour and asked Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma to initiate the obituary references. The Chief Minister rose to express his profound grief at the passing away of highly respected legislator on the 10th of this month. Sangma recalled the contributions of late Mr. Sunn to the House through his erudite deliberations and said his passing away was a great loss to the state. The Regional Committee for West Khasi Hills on interstate boundary dispute between Meghalaya and Assam has submitted its interim report to the state government on the 4 areas of differences falling under the district. Cabinet Minister Renikton Lingdo Tongkhar, who heads the committee, and other members besides officials visited the disputed areas recently. The spot inspection of the committee in 4 disputed sectors of Hahim, Gizang Reserve Forest, Tarabari and Langpi has been completed. In Manipur, 136 persons, including 1 personnel of the Central Armed Police Force, were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday. 3 cases were detected among the 1,909 samples tested for the virus, with a positive rate of 7.1%. On the other hand, 1 person expired due to COVID-19 positive. He was not vaccinated. The cumulative death toll is 1,812. Meanwhile, 265 COVID-19 patients were discharged yesterday. The total number of recovered cases is 1,12,801 and the total positive cases is 1,17,230. The recovery rate is 96.22%. The active case stands at 2,617. The number of doses of COVID-19 vaccine administered till yesterday is 15,94,555, including 3,93,833 second doses. Nagaland's COVID-19 death tally has risen to 631 after 6 deaths were registered yesterday from Dimapur district. The State Health Department updated that 27 fresh positive cases along with 56 recoveries were also reported yesterday. State's sample positivity rate stood at 1.45%. With a total cumulative cases of 30,657, the state has a total of 28,495 recovered cases and 580 active cases. Currently, 55 positive patients are admitted in COVID hospital, while 505 are under home isolation. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.